Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn some more topic for your software MS Paint. We are doing our chapter 4, working with paint. In the last lesson, we discussed about the two tools of your MS Paint, that is the color picker tool and your outline color and the fill color, means color 1 and color 2. About these two we had discussed, and also we had discussed about the different shapes, pencil tool, fill with color, eraser and color picker tool. Your color picker tool is used to pick the color. Now suppose I choose color 1 and green color for outline, color 2 this one color for inside it, and then I choose any shape for the outline. Maybe I want natural pencil. For the color to be inside fill, I choose crayons. Then I draw one shape. This is one shape I have drawn by using color 1 and color 2. The next tool that we are going to discuss is your select tool. That once you have drawn the picture, you want to select some part of the picture, or you want to select your whole picture. How you can select it? There is a tool, select tool. For the selection we have two types. One is rectangular selection and the second one is free form selection. First we discuss about the rectangular selection. If I choose rectangular selection, the selection will be done in the form of rectangle only. Means we can select the shape, or we can select the thing in the form of box only. When I choose a select tool, rectangular selection, when I start selecting it, press the left button of the mouse, and then when I just drag it, can you notice the rectangle is there on the picture? Yes, now it is just selected in the form of rectangle only. So now this much area is selected. You can move it to other part as well. Here when I move my cursor onto this, we notice four-headed arrow, and we already learned that what is the use of four-headed arrow. This is used for moving the picture. Press the left button of the mouse and you can just do it to the other side as well. So this is all about how to select it. Let's try one more time. Select tool, here's a small arrow, click on that, rectangular selection, and select some portion. It will be selected in the form of rectangle or the box only, and then in this way you can select it and move it to the other place. The next type is your free form selection. Now what is the use of free form selection? This is also used to select the portion, but in this we can select it in the free form. Free form means we can do the selection in any shape. It is not compulsory to only select in the form of rectangle or box only. We can select it in the any shape like circle, triangle, etc. Like I want to select this portion in the shape of circle, so I made a circle like this. This is called free form selection, means we can move our hand in any direction and then I can do it like this. So with the free form selection you can select anything in any shape. With the rectangular selection you can just select it in the form of rectangle or box only. The next tool that we are going to discuss is copy and paste. Till now we have discussed rectangular selection tool, how to perform it, and next is your free form selection. This we have discussed. Next we are going to discuss about moving an object, or we can say that cut an object. So for that what we have to do is that first of all, if you want to cut anything, what is the use of cut option? When we cut the part of the picture, and with that we use paste option. When we cut some portion and we paste it somewhere else, the portion that is at the original location will be erased from there and pasted to the new location. Let's see how it's work. first of all, for the cut option, you need to select the portion which you want to cut. For that, I choose select tool, rectangular selection. Now see, I select this much. Now here is the option of cut. It means that I want to remove this portion from here and want to paste it somewhere else. So I choose cut, and when I click on paste, this portion will again come and you can paste it somewhere else also. In the cut option or in moving the object, your original portion will be erased and you will be pasted to the new location. Similarly, like that, we have, after the moving an object or cut option, we have paste option that I already told you. When you cut it, you want that thing to reappear, you have to use paste option. The next one is copy an object. When you want to create a copy of the object, means you want the picture on the original location as well or onto the new location as well. Again, I choose selection tool, and suppose I select this one and I click on copy. Now it is copied. Now when I click on paste, it will remain at the original location as well, and the new copy will also come. See, now we have a new copy. So in this way we have two copies of one shape. So this is a use of cut and paste and copy and paste. And also we have discussed about select tool, rectangular selection and free from selection.